Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for the Beads of the Month clubs. Beads of the Month club from Adornable Elements. I receive 2 of them monthly, the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month and the 2-hole Beads of the Month. You can use the coupon code BNJewelry10, which I will leave it below, to save 10% off on your first order from them. I will leave a link to the code and their website below. Each one of these is $22.95 a month for the single ones, and they also have a double one for each for $39.95 per month. They also have quite a few other Beads of the Month clubs to choose from, the subscriptions to choose from. So check out their website below. So this is for the month of October. So we're starting with, if you can hear my dog, she's kind of some Hot and Trendy Bead of the Month club, Vintage Roses, and we have Phoenix Fire. So let's start with Vintage Roses. So first off, to start off, the Hot and Trendy Bead of the Month Club unboxing for Vintage Roses. This is mint white rippled button. There's 8 pieces. So pretty. There's the hole at the top. They're really cool. I love the way there's ripples going on in them. I don't know if you can see it in the video. Kind of standing up to see. I got new lighting and I'm really liking it. These are really pretty. Really pretty. Number 2 is the mint cranberry flat oval, 12 pieces. Wow, look at these. So pretty. These are definitely, these are definitely one-of-a-kind beads. Look at that little swirl in there. I have one hole right up at the top. So pretty. The third is Cranberry White Pillow, 30 pieces. Oh, these are so pretty. I don't know if you can see, they have a little bit of they're not square, they're kind of like, they have like a swirl to them almost. Oh, they're so pretty. There's one hole right in the top. Very pretty. I love getting the Hot and Trendy because you never know what you're going to get. You know, it's like, and you can mix these up with so many different things. So beautiful. These are the teal AB wavy leaves. There's 15 pieces. So that's one side, and then that's another. So pretty. The hole goes through the top right there. So much sparkle to these. Love these. And these are chalk white red luster Rizzos, 6.5 grams. There's still some inside of the package. I didn't put them all out so you could see them better. Look like little pieces of rice almost, and the holes at the top. So you could layer these, like if you really wanted to make, like if you could even put these on a memory wire bracelet and really add some texture to it. Very pretty. Wow. These, wow, look at these. These are jade with Celsian striped dagger. I can't pronounce that word. Look at these. Look at that. Look at the texture on these. Wow. These are absolutely beautiful. There's 25 pieces. Absolutely gorgeous. These are Crystal Magic Wine Hearts, 45 pieces. Look at that. So, and they're kind of like the AB, almost finished. So like there's that one side, and then the other side is clear, and they're all different speckles in them. These are beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And these beauties are the Chalk AB Flower Cut, 30 pieces. Oh, look at that. So they have that little bit of an AB finish. I don't know if it's picking it up in the camera. I'm trying to I can kind of see in the camera, but I'm seeing a total AB finish on these. Not on there, but on the top part of the flower. So pretty. So pretty. And now for the Phoenix Fire 2-hole bead of the month club. Here we have our first one, bronze gold matte, Amos Parpuca, 7 grams. And there's the 2 holes right there. These are beautiful. The same color on both sides. Look like little teardrops. And number 2 is the bronze gold matte Helios Parpuca, 7 grams. And there's the 2 holes right there, and then they come up through the top or the bottom, depending on what you use them for. Very pretty. And this is the Hyacinth, oh my gosh. Hyacinth Matte Mini Super Duo, 7 grams, Hacienda. And there's still a ton left in here, but I didn't pour them all out because I wanted you to see them. So this is the Hacienda. Oh, okay, very pretty. They're 2-hole beads, very pretty. And these are Gold Splash Hyacinth Kite, 7 grams, very pretty. And let me see it, I'm trying to, yeah, there's the holes right there. They're so pretty, that gold flicker on them. Like a bright orange, like a tangerine orange with gold. Absolutely beautiful. And these are Ruby Capri Gold Rula, 7 grams. These are only half of them. I still have the other half in here because if I pour too many in my hand, you can't really see the, the color, the reflection and stuff. Look how pretty those are. And these are Topaz Mini Gem Duos, 7 grams. So they have, yeah, I'm trying to, so you can see there's a hole on each side right there. I use these a lot when I make my 2-strand necklaces and stuff. They're really pretty because you can, create lots of things with them. Or you can do bead weaving. I'm not really into bead weaving, but I like to use these for other things, like my lariats I make 2-strand, 3-strand, 4-strand lariats and stuff, and I love these for them. And these are Topaz Capri Gold Honeycomb, 30 pieces. I still have a couple pieces left in the container. Look at how pretty these are. So they're silver on one side, and then they're, you can see through on the other side. You can see the 2 holes right there. So pretty. So much you can do with these. You can do so much bead weaving. That's what these, I think, are really made for. But, of course, I don't use them for that. I use them for my other stuff. And last but not least, the Ruby Capri Gold Matte Super Duos. These aren't gold. That's kind of weird. There must be a mistake. But they're gorgeous anyway, 12.5 grams. These are more like the tangerine orange. They kind of match with these. Unless maybe they're inside the... No? I think these are wrong. Capri Gold. Well, Ruby Capri Gold Matte Super Duos. Okay, yeah. No, there's not a mistake there. Okay. So pretty. Very tiny. 2 holes. 1 on each side. Absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know down in the comments if you get the Adornable Elements monthly bead boxes. There's so many different ones. There's a fire polish. There's a gemstone bead of the month club. There's so many, but I like these because I like to mix and match, and I use these for my lariats that I make a lot of times. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and yes, use the link below, BN Jewelry 10, to save 10% off your first order with them. And I hope you subscribe to my channel, and by hitting that button below, And then if you hit the bell, you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. So I will see you soon on my next video. Thanks for watching.